say, girl, you fine. I'm tryna make you mine. I ain't tryna waste no time. Hop in my ride. Got a whip parked outside. Got a condo, we can go slide. Know I got pride, but I put that to the side. Think I need that on my side. Look at them thighs. Look at that waist. Look at them hips. Look at that face. Just know that I'm a thug. I ain't going on a date.
Hey guys, it's Brooke, and today I'm going to be sharing a couple tips about basically how to get free hair or get sponsored by hair companies. I know I haven't uploaded like in a minute, but it's just because I've been busy with school. So it took up all my time and I didn't really have any motivation to upload, but I'm gonna upload today, I guess. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the video. So to start off, I really wasn't putting my channel or dedicating my channel to like making hair videos and stuff like that, but I seen a lot of people getting sent free hair and stuff, and it's like I can do hair. As you can see, like I've been making wig videos and stuff. I've been trying to get out there and stuff because doing hair to me is fun. I'm not saying my channel is dedicated to hair, but it is like something I do on the side. Maybe it's like a side hustle or something like that. So yeah, like I didn't really get sent hair. Actually, I don't even think I got sent hair based off of my hair videos. Like my hair videos are good quality. I put a lot of work into them, but they don't get a lot of views. So what I did was basically whenever I had hair in, like in my Sweet 16 vlog, I had Eunice hair in. So I was like birthday vlog featuring Eunice hair, and then I put them in the tags and stuff, and of course that video got a lot of views because people like watching Sweet 16 videos. So based off of that video, I think that's how I kind of got jump started with being sent free hair. Really what you should do is, some people may have to invest in hair just to jump start it before they just have companies contacting them. So like you could buy some hair, do a review on it, maybe do a tutorial with it, and then based off of that video, companies will start emailing you. Make sure you have a business email first of all. That's the first thing. Make sure you have a business email, and you can even start emailing companies yourself. Like I've emailed companies, and I'm gonna be real, most of them didn't want to work with me because I don't have a huge following, but they did offer me like affiliate links, and some companies even said they would like pay half of the price for the hair if I paid the other half, and then I could review it like that. But I don't just have money laying around like that, so I had to decline doing that. But if you have hair installed and you just like upload a video, maybe like a playlist video or something, and feature the company's like hair name or their name, not hair name, if you feature the company's name, then that can like get you out there. Like those companies will search for videos that have their hair featured, so then it might be like, oh, she's creative, she does hair, let's send her some hair, let's get her to promote and stuff like that. That's really what I did. I tagged Eunice hair. That was my first time buying bundles from Eunice hair. I did a review on them, I had it installed, I did vlogs and stuff with the hair. Then I went around and made a wig with the hair after I had taken out after my birthday, so I would tag them in my videos. If you scroll down, you can see where I tag each of the hair companies that I've been sponsored by. If you really put up good content with the hair companies, they're going to look for you. They're going to want to have a long-term partnership with you. Some may even pay you, but let me tell you, some companies don't want to pay you, and I can see why they don't want to pay you, because their hair prices are expensive and they already have to take a loss on sending you free hair, especially if you want like long bundles. So companies, when you first get partner with them, they might be like, oh, we can send you 12 inches. 12 inches. But eventually, as you build your following, they'll start sending you longer hair and stuff like that. Truth. Let me tell you the truth. Let me tell you the truth. I think it's good to have a set rate if you do want to get paid for doing these videos, because I get that it's a lot more spent. If you want to like dye the hair, you have to pay for the dye, the bleach, all of that, and the company is only sending you hair. But if you do want to make money from it, I would recommend like having a set price, like $50 per video. And you can tell them that up front, and then they can decide if they want to work with you or not. But to be honest, if you really want free hair, then I would recommend doing it for free at first until you build your following up. Because if you like, oh, I want $100 to film this video with your hair that you have to send me for free, they're gonna be like, no, and they're gonna go hit up the next person, and then you're gonna miss out on some free hair, and it might be good hair. So a lot of these YouTubers who are sponsored by like Beauty Forever and stuff, they're probably lying. I'm be real, because I work with Beauty Forever and their hair was not all of that. They sent me some trash wigs, and I'll admit at the time I was just now getting into wigs. Like, I didn't know how to really lay it down and stuff like that. But now when the company sends you hair, you want to have the video up in a timely manner. I try to have the video up at least the same week that I received the hair to go ahead and get it up, because those companies will hound you, bruh. They will ask for your number and they will freaking call you all the time asking you, when are you uploading the video? Hi dear, when are you uploading the video? And I'm just, you don't want that, sis. So if you do get sent free hair, just go ahead and upload the video. Don't take forever. Don't keep the hair for months on and not review it, because they will literally hound you about it. People wanted to call me to verify my number, to make sure that was my number. In a nutshell, all you really have to do is, when you get hair, review the hair, style the hair, do tutorials, this, that, and the third, and companies will reach out to you. Like, it's really that simple. That's what I did. I didn't even do a tutorial. I just had the hair installed in my video, and the video happened to get like 5,000 views, so they reached out to me. But yeah, that's basically what I did to get free hair. I just bought some hair for my birthday, reviewed the hair, and then that kind of jump started and put me out there so companies could see me. So that's all you really have to do. I'm gonna be real. That's all you have to do. You can reach out to companies, like I said. You can try your luck if you reach out to them, but I honestly feel like it's better if they reach out to you, because then you know they actually want to work with you. But yeah, that's how you can get you some free hair, sis. Or you can get basically anything, get sponsored by anybody. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's probably like all over the place, but that's literally just my personality. Like, I'm literally all over the place. I told like 5 stories within one, and I'm pretty sure I'm doing it now. So I'm gonna just go ahead and shut up and leave you guys. I do have a try on haul coming soon, because I ordered some clothes, so that should be out in the following week. But yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.